Hi there, my name is Ron. I'm from Superdao, and today we are on the Metaverse Summit. We're gonna explore how the future looks like. So let's find out.
I'm Simon, I'm the CEO of Metaverse. We help brands to enter the Metaverse. So basically, we can manage all their 3D assets and create their official hub online, but they can create gateways to other metaverses like the Sandbox or Decentraland, for instance.
Where to start to learn Metaverse if you're new in the space?
Basically, what is Metaverse? It's 3D plus Web3.
Yeah.
So you can learn Metaverse in traditional video games, 3D. And if you add the Web3 pillar, you can go to the Sandbox or Decentraland and experience it.
Who is the most influential person in the Metaverse space?
I think at the moment, Sébastien Borger from the Sandbox is everywhere. So
Yeah.
for me, it's Sébastien Borger. Yeah.
Your favorite Metaverse event?
I haven't been yet at the Metaverse Summit, but I really want to.
So that was Metaverse Summit with Superdao. Stay tuned for the more exclusive content on the channel. So bye bye.